complex, more challenging, but maybe also more interesting. There are always pros and cons of certain developments. But you're right that's the development we see as a side network as well. In the 19th, we had a lot of huge, big blockbuster trials where the patient population was not specified, but not so specified that they were hard to find. And that has changed constantly over the years. We are looking more for the one patient, so patients with 30 who have to meet 30 inclusion criteria and 40 exclusion criteria. So it's getting really so we are really looking for a very, very specific group of patients, and that goes into this direction which you were mentioning, looking curious and for specific subgroups and going more towards a more personalized approach than it has been in the past. And for us, the biggest challenge is then to find the patient and also to allow the patient to take part in the trial, because these patients normally the standard therapy doesn't really work. So they have a medical need here, but often cases it's for them getting to our sites is a commitment and an effort they have to make. And so we try to reduce the burden as much as possible, but it limits. And so for us, it's hard to find the patients. We need to find also a way that which allows patients to take part in it. And of course, it involves far more investigation, far more ratings our medical staff has to make than compared to the easier trials in the 90s. And that's why also to some extent the cost, that's just one reason, but one reason why the costs have constantly are constantly increasing for the development of new medicals, new medicine, new drugs, new medical products.